Hi, Carol from Designer Stencils, and we have a birthday today. It's Sally's birthday, and I don't know about you, but we love birthdays around here. We all order out lunch for everybody and sit around, have a good time. We get the birthday person a plant. Isn't this beautiful? Got it at Trader Joe's this morning. Gotta love that place. I also picked up a pumpkin cheesecake, and I want to show you how I'm gonna quickly put happy birthday on there and just jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking my ground chocolate like I used on the lattes in a previous video. I've already got it in my shaker. We're going to take the happy birthday stencil, line it up right here, and see it's still cold, so it's not sticky, my cheesecake. So I want to do this before it gets to room temperature because then your stencil is going to stick to the surface. And I'm just going to be taking my chocolate and sprinkle it over the openings and just pressing down gently as I go around, just to make sure the stencil lays flat. All right, now this is the tricky part. You just need to be very careful and pull it up gently. You could put Crisco down on the stencil beforehand, and that would give it some tackiness, and the extra powder would adhere to that and not fall back in through the openings if you have trouble. So there's the happy birthday. See that? Now I'm going to add just a little bit of pizzazz to this. I'm going to put a leaf here, but I want to make sure that it doesn't get into my happy birthday that's there. So let's see. What you can do is, see how I turned up the tab on this one? That'll give me something to lift it up, and also it's not going to mess up what I've already done. Just be careful that you don't go over the edge of the stencil. There's one leaf there. I don't know about you, but that was super easy. And what a great way to jazz up just a plain old cheesecake. So we're gonna have fun celebrating this afternoon with Sally. We hope you have a good day. If you enjoyed this project, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the other wonderful projects we have in store for you. Take care.